Welcome to AI Frontiers, where we explore the cutting-edge developments shaping the future of artificial intelligence. Today, we dive into groundbreaking advancements in computational linguistics, published on August 22, 2025. This collection spans 28 research papers, covering topics from sarcasm detection to multilingual benchmarks. Together, we will unpack the future of language AI and its transformative potential. In this episode, we delve into cutting-edge research shaping the landscape of language AI. Key themes include multilingual processing, addressing bias and fairness, and optimizing models for efficiency and adaptability. We'll highlight seminal findings, explore methodologies driving these innovations, and discuss future directions that promise to redefine how machines understand human language. Computational linguistics sits at the intersection of computer science and linguistics, focusing on teaching machines to process, generate, and understand human language. This field goes beyond vocabulary to encompass context, tone, and cultural subtleties. Applications range from virtual assistants and translations to chatbots, making computational linguistics essential in our digital world. It also deepens our understanding of language itself by exploring both practical tools and theoretical insights. A key theme in today's research is multilingual processing. Rowe et al. Introduced locale-sensitive question answering, emphasizing the importance of culturally specific information. The XLQA benchmark spans 8 languages with over 3,000 questions, revealing significant gaps in how models handle culturally specific details. These studies underscore the need for inclusive multilingual models capable of serving diverse linguistic contexts. Addressing bias and fairness is another critical focus. Gender bias in gaming scenarios and modality bias in multimodal intent detection have been explored. Mullick et al. Discovered that over 90% of samples in multimodal datasets rely primarily on textual input. Debiasing efforts, while exposing dataset limitations, often result in significant data reduction, highlighting the challenges of creating balanced datasets that reflect real-world interactions. Efficiency and adaptability are central to advancing language models. Researchers are optimizing models for specialized domains like construction estimation and developing assistive technologies for visually impaired users. Cycle-Instruct reduces dependency on costly human annotated data through a dual self-training loop. Adapter-based architectures integrate expert knowledge, offering scalable solutions for domain-specific applications. Key findings across the papers revealed transformative advancements. Shen et al. Demonstrated Cycle-Instruct, achieving fully seed-free training. Rowe et al. Uncovered gaps in locale-sensitive question answering, while Mullick et al. Exposed textual bias in multimodal models. Analysis of binary mechanisms in transformer circuits showed that a circuit comprising just 5 attention heads could achieve over 90% of the original model's performance in logical reasoning tasks. The methodologies employed in these studies highlight both strengths and limitations. Benchmark datasets like XLQA require extensive human annotation but provide standardized evaluation frameworks. Attention head analysis reveals insights into model efficiency, while debiasing techniques expose dataset limitations. Reward functions optimize domain-specific applications, though they may face challenges due to subjective human preference-based metrics. Rowe et al. Introduced XLQA, a benchmark designed to address gaps in multilingual open-domain question answering by explicitly accounting for locale-sensitive information. Their methodology expanded 3,000 English seed questions into 8 languages, meticulously filtering for semantic consistency. Evaluating state-of-the-art models revealed significant disparities, particularly on locale-sensitive questions, exposing gaps in handling culturally specific information and offering a framework for assessing real-world applicability. Mullick et al. Investigated modality bias in multimodal intent detection, analyzing large language models and non-large language models across 2 datasets. They found that over 90% of samples relied primarily on textual input. Debiasing efforts degraded performance by 50 to 60%, underscoring the need for balanced datasets that accurately reflect real-world multimodal interactions rather than predominantly text-driven scenarios. Shen et al. introduced Cycle-Instruct, an innovative framework achieving fully seed-free instruction tuning through a dual self-training loop. Unlike traditional methods reliant on human annotated seed data, Cycle-Instruct uses two models, an answer generator and a question generator, that mutually supervise each other. Experiments demonstrated its efficacy across diverse tasks, outperforming seed-driven baselines and achieving comparable results to strongly supervised approaches, opening new possibilities for automated model improvement. Looking ahead, addressing persistent biases in language models remains a priority. Bridging the gap between general-purpose and domain-specific models is crucial, as is exploring the scalability of seed-free instruction tuning methods. Developing robust evaluation frameworks that account for cultural, regional, and contextual variations will ensure inclusivity. These challenges present opportunities to create more reliable and beneficial language technologies for society. This podcast was created using GPT-Qwen-max for content synthesis and Google Text-to-Speech for narration. Images were generated using Stable Diffusion. While human-reviewed for accuracy, oversights may still occur. References are provided for all cited works, ensuring transparency and credibility in our presentation of research findings. In this podcast, we bring you the latest breakthroughs in computer science and AI, straight from the arXiv preprint server. From neural networks to quantum computing, we simplify complex research so you can stay ahead. Whether you're a developer, researcher, or tech enthusiast, AI Frontiers keeps you informed daily. Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe for daily updates. See you tomorrow with more cutting-edge AI insights. Disclaimer: this video uses arXiv.org content under its API terms of use. AI Frontiers is not affiliated with or endorsed by arXiv.org.